everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about this cute backpack I got by Telena. Finding something cute, stylish, and functional, it's not always easy, but with Telena, it is. I love this Telena leather laptop backpack. It's beautiful. I love the quality, and I love the fact that it's so spacious. You're gonna see that I can fit so many things in here. I love the details, the stitching of this backpack, and that contrast of gold and black makes it so elegant. I really like the size as well. It's not bulky. You can fit so many things, but yet it's still feminine. I also love the uniqueness of their logo. This backpack is high quality. You're gonna feel it and you're gonna see it all the way around, and they have a variety of other beautiful colors as well. So if you're in the search for a business backpack or traveling, then definitely go with these by Telena, but that's just my point of view.